How to combine groups in WhatsApp. So if you want to combine groups in your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your WhatsApp application. On your WhatsApp, you need to go with communities, and if you don't have a community, you need to go and create a community. Once you have your community, you need to tap on your community, and here you can go with add groups, which is on the bottom, and then select the groups that you would like to add. You can go with add existing groups and then select 2 or more groups that you would like to add to your community. So in my case, I've already added a few groups. I'll again add a group. Go with the arrow which is on the bottom right and then tap on add to community which is on the bottom. And as you can see that the groups has been added to community. In my community, I'll have 3 groups right here. So in this way, you'll be able to combine groups with communities. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.